monkey on the red rose on the red on day. Can hear the red flowing, sing, sing. Can hear the road. Diner by your horn, diner by your horn, you horn, horn. Diner by your horn, diner by your horn, you horn. Diamonds in the kitchen when Dino. Diamonds in the kitchen with Dino. Want me on banjo. John is on the barn. John, shh, be quiet. We don't want to wake everyone up. Where's Birdie? You know, he flew away. Away, away. I want Birdie. We're going to catch the bird. Follow me. Birdie, gang, get the... I'll fly, and you'll scare it away. Birds are shy, and they could break very easily, and they could fly up there. You be quiet, Marky. This is the place. I do a cat and nothing do. A car rode over a moon. Ah, you're lucky I see that, but and I just ran away. You hold the bait. That's just candy. Hampy, now we're gonna dig a hole. What? Dig, 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 dig. Okay, Mary. We're gonna spread the bait. And we're going to take a little peek and roll the rope over. And also, just in case we're gonna catch a little bird, we're gonna dig up. We're gonna use the house. Big, big, big hole. I dig. No, let me dig the hole. No, you not Mary dig a hole. No. The double's too big. I have to dig the hole. No, dig the hole. Dig the hole. Dig the hole. You can't dig the hole. Yes, I could. No, you can't. You could dig the hole. Here's the shovel. I had to dig the hole. No, I had to dig the hole. You can dig the hole. Here. You shouldn't make so much noise. You'll wake Mom and Daddy up and they'll say we have to go home. No. Now you give me the bait. No, it's candy. That's our bait. Bait for the bird. No, it's not bait. I hear something. Stay down. Okay. I'm listening for the bird. I see a bird. No, you have to hear the bird. You can't see the bird. You're in a hole. Oh. So get down. Thanks. You're welcome. I'm hungry. You want a piece of candy? Yeah. I'll get it. That is a bait. No, bait. I told you. You know I could have one. No more candy. Who says I can't get one? I'm gonna get one. I got some in my pocket. 1 candy, 2 candies. 327. At the end. Card. I go in the car. In the garage. The thing. The bang. Ow. You wanna hold the rope? Yeah. You're not holding it the right way. Hold it. You're supposed to twirl it up. What? You're supposed to twirl it up. What? You're supposed to twirl it up. I can't hear you. Get in the hole. No. You're not holding it in the right place. No. I go for you. Be quiet, Hampy. I'm not. Okay, then don't speak. No laughing. I was a song. We have to be quiet. No songs. Yeah. Mommy said no songs. So no songs. Yeah. No. I didn't sing a song. Then sing Hi Diddle Diddle once. Hey, diddle. Hey, diddle. Hey, diddle, da. Hey, diddle. Hey, diddle, da, do a cat. Shh. I think it's up there now. That's the bell. Shh. I've been working on the railroad all the live long day. I did that. I've been working on the railroad just the time I pass the day. Can't you hear the whistle blowing, rising up so early in the morning? Can't you hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Fee-a-fi, a fiddle-I-o. Fee-fi, fiddle-I-o. Fee-fi, a fiddle-I-o. Fee-fi, fiddle-I-o. Strumming on the banjo. There's a bird up there. Big bird up there. Are you sad? Yeah, no more candy, bird. Come on, jump down and come home with us. I kiss you, birdie. Thanks. You can live in our room, but you have to be quiet. I'm home on the renga. Shaka, the Ricky Shrine. Gonna do a deca, renga raka, raka shraka, what the shraka? Hey, renga run, find the shanga rek, try it, go in the garage, a renga day.